Alright everyone, we are out prospecting today. It's not going to be a long trip because I just realized that I have the flu. So, what we want to do before we get out of here, because we did make the hike in, is we're going to be taking 10 samples at 10 meter intervals up the creek, and we'll pan them later back at the shop. Because it's really cold out and I don't want to get sicker. So let's dive into it. So what we're doing is we have a little hand auger here and we're just coring down in a bit to get a little bit deeper down into the pay layer. And we'll bag all these samples and then pan them out later. So here's our next sample. We're getting about 1 kilogram of material for each sample. The area we're in is a really gold-rich area. You have a few small hydrothermal deposits above and below us. So what we're doing, hoping we can find some sort of sulfides or some sort of gold. And we will see. So I just thought I'd point this out. Sampling the moss, because we're in a riparian area, it's definitely not recommended. If you are going to be sampling, there are certain things you can do. There's several permits you have to get, and if you're doing that in BC, you'd want to go over to Front Counter BC, and you'd also want to talk to Fisheries and Oceans, Conservation, because disturbing vegetation in a riparian zone is not allowed, or at least not recommended. So we don't have a permit for this area, so we're staying clear of that. And we are sticking to the gravels. Our next sample here. Sample location number 4. Sample number 5. Sample number 6. Close to the moss, but not disturbing it. Sample number 7. Sample number 8. Just outside of the moss. Alright, so we have a tiny little runoff creek here, and we're sampling that. This leads into the bigger one. Alright, we got our next one right beside this drainage creek. Alright, so we decided to go to this little creek here and do the panning of the samples instead of back at the shop. It's a few days later now. We're just going to quickly pan through these samples and see what we get out of them. Alright, so a large amount of sulfides. Looks to be like pyrite. This is running near an old mine, so we're kind of expecting to see some stuff. But what we're doing is we're actually looking for gold in the creek. But yeah, I don't see any in the first pan. Sample number 2. All right. Holy crap. I can see gold there. Gold there. Gold there. Gold everywhere. That's what we're looking for. There we go. Lots of gold. Next sample here. Alright, let's take a look at that. A lot of sulfides. There we go, more gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colors. Right. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 small little specks of gold. Alright, we got our next sample. Ooh, a lot of sulfides in this one. Super fine too. Piece of gold. Looks like just one piece. Yeah. Alright, on to the next one. Sample number 6. Right. Oh, already seeing gold. There we go. Gold. Gold right there. Gold right there. Gold right there. Got to be about 10 colors in there. Smaller sample. So when we're panning, we may lose a little bit of gold, but we're not really worrying about that too much. We're basically just seeing deposit extent and find out where the gold stops. As long as there's still gold in the pan, that's all we're looking for. There we go. 1, 2, 3 pieces. Perfect. Second and last sample here. Oxidized dirt. See sulfides in there. Alright. A lot of sulfides. No gold. Maybe speck or two of super fine pieces, but not anything like the other ones. More sulfides though. Alright, let's do the last pan. 318. More sulfides. Quartz or sulfides. Yep, no gold. Alright, so now we know where to stop. We've been over a 20-30 meter section where we haven't got gold, so good to know. Anyway, that's all the pans we have, and that's all the time we have today, so don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.